Hi guys, so this is an important video, basically most of the asked video, because in this video we will be discussing that how we can achieve 50% actuarial hike. We will be discussing roadmap for 50% actuarial hike. So definitely IT salary free season is real, because in IT as of now we can expect hiring slowdown and flat increments, basically ranging from 0 to 10%. And actuarial industry right now is focusing on qualified talents creation, which is leading to supply barrier, and its regulatory demand is there. So how we can achieve 50% hike actuarial roadmap? Let's understand this. So the first step towards this roadmap is that you should clear 2 to 3 actuarial exams irrespective of II or IFOA, and the main powerful combo that you can pick is go for CM1, CS1, CV1, CV2. Apart from clearing exams, upskill yourself with Excel, R and Python. And next important thing apart from clearing exams and upskilling with the software skills is that you have to do a switch. You can switch to core actuarial team, you can switch to insurtech companies, you can switch as a pricing or reserving actuary, because typical hike on switch is 30 to 40% easily, and if you have 3 to 4 exams along with niche skills, it can reach to 50%. Now this gives rise to another question, that what are these niche skills which are required in actuarial industry? So if you know about IFRS 17, health pricing, capital modeling, or if you are focusing on reinsurance analytics or different data hybrid roles, that can definitely provide you a niche edge over others. So how will this 50% hike actually look like is that if you are currently at 6 to 12 LPA, you can reach to 10 to 12 LPA after this roadmap. If you are at 10 LPA, you can reach to 15 to 16 LPA. If you are at 15 LPA, you can reach to 20 to 25 LPA. So actuarial does not give you fast money, but it gives you protected money. So this roadmap is essential to understand that apart from clearing exams, what else we need to focus upon. So this was the most asked video asking me the roadmap on how we can achieve 50% hike and commenting on IT salary freeze. So stay tuned for more videos and updates coming to your way. Thank you. Happy learning.